In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook group so you can build a community and connect with people who share the same interests. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Groups. On the Groups page, look for the Create or Create Group option and tap on it to begin setting up your group. Now enter a group name that clearly describes what the group is about. After that, Facebook will ask you to choose the privacy for your group. You can select public if you want anyone to find and join the group, or choose private if you want to control who can join and see the posts. Next, you can invite friends to join the group by selecting their names, or you can skip this step and add members later. After entering the basic details, tap Create to finish the setup. Your group will now be created, and you can start adding posts, photos, and discussions for members. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.